bibs and big kids t-shirts, onesies, and onesies and big t-shirts. Now I gotta separate all this. Hello everyone, it's Simply Nana with Crafting, Cooking, and Sazon, and today I'm looking extremely crazy, but it's okay. A matter of fact, one of my butt cheeks is soaking wet right now because I had a water bottle and I sat on it and it wet part of my behind. But that's how we're rolling today. So I had a busy all right, I need to print out. Oh, I forgot. I don't know if you can see my butt is wet. Vinyl, because I needed. I'm doing a Cookie Monster onesie birthday. Well, it's not a onesie, it's a 3T shirt. And I didn't have any more of that blue that I used to make my Cookie Monster shirt. So here's the vinyl that, oh, they must have sent, oh, trick or treat. They sent a bag with goodies. Oh, that's cute. And they sent me an airhead. I'm not, I told you.
Tell you something.
What? Gigi's here, guys.
Look, you see these bags, like,
yes.
you slide your phone in. I want to get one.
All right, where is that?
I don't know.
We'll look and see. They sent me a plastic spider. I don't know if that's a bracelet, a sticker, and they sent me an airhead. One piece?
Huh?
Want a piece of airhead? No,
No,
she doesn't want a piece.
I don't eat well. I'll take a little piece.
Here. It's a little tough.
Alright, who sent you it?
When I ordered the vinyl.
Oh.
So this is the vinyl I got.
That car always does that.
Red. I needed gold.
I'm gonna stay here.
I had some, but I didn't have a lot. Black. This is the blue that I use for the Elmo. Not the Elmo, the Cookie Monster. The Cookie Monster. I'm gonna add this because it's for a girl, so I changed the design a little bit. On the back, I'm gonna add her name. I emailed my mom. She said she was happy. She's like, yes, please add her name in the back, because I don't advertise it like that. The pearl. I like this color. It's like a copper. I gotta look at my
It's not a white.
my samples. And this is, oh, this was
Alright, I got mine down.
a new color. I forgot what. It's like a yellow. I gotta look at my.
I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Then I make sure it was that.
It's like a pearl.
Let me see.
And then I got some white because I didn't have a lot of the white.
Yeah, I think this is my favorite color, you guys. The pearl.
The pearl.
Oh God.
All right, let me put this aside so I can print out. For those of you that do handmade things, have you ever rushed through something and then screwed it up? So last night I was doing this. You'll see the clips before this actual clip, but let me see if you can see. I went to snip the vinyl of the heart. I mean, it's really hard to see, but I know it's there.
Where are you? It's almost 11 o'clock.
Where is it?
Why
Oh,
aren't you
there it
home yet?
goes.
I've called you like 5 times.
See that tiny little rip? It's really hard to see, but I know it's there. So I ripped the freaking hat. I actually cut the hat, cutting the little heart
She's coming back.
off of the vinyl transfer. So now I have to do another hat. So this hat will definitely be going to Gigi. Gigi's messed up t-shirts and onesies that I cannot fix. Don't mind the TV in the back, guys. So this is the shirt that goes with the hat, and yeah, so I'm pissed because now I have to do the hat. So I wanted to show you guys really quick, and to be honest, I do not know where my glitter samples are, because what I do is, like right now, this is the only piece that I have left in this color. So I don't ever know any of these colors by heart, so I just refer back to the samples here, and then I just write the name down of whatever color this is, and then I have a post-it note here, and then I just put vinyl. So I already put this vinyl that I know I'm down because I use it a lot for the onesie, which I'll show you in a minute. And then this is the only one that I have of this one, but because my craft room is still not in order, still not done, I have no idea where I put the glitter one this like this, because these are all, this is the Easy Wee samples. What is this? This is the Easy reflective sample, and these are all the different ones that I have, except the glitter. I don't know where it's at. So I'm gonna have to go. I'm just gonna jot a quick note. And what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to go back. I'm gonna look for the glitter ring. Hopefully I'll find it. Now I'm gonna have to go back into my orders and get the actual name for this color vinyl. So, and that way when I order, I already have a list of all the vinyls that I need to order. And I just got an order of vinyl yesterday, and a box of shirts, onesies, and Christmas pajamas that I'm going to design for Christmas, and plus a whole bunch of white onesies and kids t-shirts. So I just wanted to share that with you and let you guys know that little tip that works for me, because before I didn't write them down, and then I will try to go through the whole rack of all my vinyl, and it was hard, kind of hard to figure out which ones I needed, because some I can hold off on, some colors I don't use that often, or I don't use that much of that particular color in vinyl. But then there's some that I sell a lot of that particular design or that particular color vinyl, so that those are the ones that I need to have in stock. So sometimes I buy like a 12 by 24 sheet on some of the vinyl that I use. But those vinyls that I use a lot of, I just buy a big roll of it because it just comes out cheaper. So let me get to work. Gotta make sure I don't ship the one that has the hole, because this is the new one I had to make, and this is the one that I ripped. And I'm just preparing the table to take a quick picture of what I just made. Because I'm going to be changing everything in the boutique. I'm no longer going to be using the onesies. I am going to be using just regular I guess bodysuits you can call them. So I've been trying to I've been trying to take pictures, as you know, I changed the onesies to the bodysuits. Then I've been trying to take pictures of all of that so that I can change all my pictures. Plus, because of somebody using the exact same layout, my tags, using my designs, and using everything else, I changed out my backdrop and the layout and the whole thing, so she can keep all of that. So I'm actually been going through transformation. I had to change so many things in my boutique slowly, because some things I can't change. When it comes to the layout, how I lay my stuff out, my tags and everything else, which is terrible, but it is what it is. These are some of the accessories. Let me put you guys closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, hopefully you can see how I'm laying everything out. And so this is just a bucket of hair bows that I've made, that I've bought, and I use them as samples. For my shop. So these are some bloomers. Some of them I do sell, and some of them I just use for as photo props. I hope you guys can hear me because the guy's outside cutting the grass. All right. And I keep them in here, that way they don't get, you know, dusty or anything. And these are a pair of shoes that I blinged out. Guys, these shoes are about 5 years old, 4 or 5 years old. And I use them as samples and to show customers, but I had these for 5 years. Look how they look, guys. So now I'm going to package. This is my bags that I package my stuff in. And I do, where is my, I do take pride in when I pack my merchandise, whether it's handmade or is boutique clothing, because I think that appearance, in the sense of when you get your packaging, when people receive their order, the merchandise, I think it means a lot of how you package it. And when they receive it, and I've gotten a lot of compliments behind that. I forgot to turn off my heat press. I hear it clicking. And then I just normally just fold the hat and I place it in the back if I can. Okay, like so. Then I do give out a lot of different things when it comes to cards, business cards and business advertising. I just got another shipment of cards and stuff. So when I pack my my orders, whether like I said boutique or handmade, I always include a calendar. I just got the new calendars in. I waited for my old ones to be finished. I don't know if you guys seen the last design. I did change it. So these are the new ones for 2020, and it just has Facebook, Instagram information. And I got a magnet because I figure, like me, I always have either a calendar magnet on the side of my computer, and I always have one on my refrigerator. So my whole plan is if they put this on the refrigerator, everybody that comes to the house will see this, be curious, start following me on Instagram, on Facebook, and we'll go on to my online boutique and take a look there. Then I just have a regular card that I give them, and I'll just fill out really quick in the back. I like to handwrite it so it seems personal, and I just, you know, quickly put, you know, thank you for shopping à la Dulce Couture, and I always include a coupon personalized for that person. It's a coupon for one time and one time use only. Then I also include, I also include my business card, and then in the back it just has all the information on where to follow me and everything else. So I give them this as well. So I put all of these 3 things in here, which I'm going to fill this card out really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it looks once it's in the bag, and then my card's in the back of the bag. It looks cute, right? And if they're gonna give this as a gift, this is all they really need, this, and put in a gift bag. This bag right here is cute as it is. Okay, and these are the bags I've always used. I was thinking of changing them, but I've been using these for 4 years, and Christmas I use red ones, but during the year I use just the silver ones. So those are the bags I ship in. And then I take one of my stickers and I put it on the back of the envelope, because that way anyone that's delivering it or anybody who sees it at that person's mailbox, so you never know, as the people in the post office are sorting out the mail, they can see the name and actually look into my website, start following me. I had people from the post office follow me already. So that's the whole purpose of this, because I always want to take advantage of anything that I make, whether it's being mail delivered or whatever. I always want to, you know, you never know who's going to see your merchandise, so it's always good to advertise. So I advertise here. I always make sure I give them enough, and the business card in case they want to share, you know, share it with someone, give it away, and keep the magnet. And then also outside of my shipping bag. So this is how it looks, and now I'm going to put the sticker, my mailing sticker here to where it's going. But yeah, this is how I mail my stuff, and this is what it looks like. So those are just little tips that I've been doing for the last probably 3 years, so they work for me, and it's just to get my name out there in any way that I can. So